Yo guys, welcome to this tutorial today. Today this your boy Z-Beat on the beat. Today we are doing this video to help most guys that DM me on my Facebook or my social media and asking me to teach them how to make beats. And some of them are people that are starting from the beginning, from the scratch without any experience. And what I used to do my beats is FL. FL Studio. We have a lot of DAWs. That's the DAW for productions. Yes, but what I use mostly, I use about 3 or 4 here. But what I use mostly is FL Studio because of how it's gives me personally the room for production. So today I made this video that I titled my first day at FL Studio. Yes, my first day. So I've seen a lot of video outside there teaching people how to make beats. But I thought if there's somebody who don't even know anything about FL and you just open it the first day, what should you do? That's what brought this idea that I'm doing this video today. So before we continue, or with no wasting time, let us look at some of the common features you will use. Now the FL Studio I'm using here is FL Studio 20, 20, and under this link I'll give you a link where if you need this FL you can get it. I mean, if you don't have anything, but you should buy it, so that the producers will also get money, so that they can do more for you. Now, so if you open your FL, this is the first thing, everything that you see. This one can be hidden like this. The minute you click here, you see it coming out. Now let us start by saying, let me start from here. Here, this where you see there's 130 written here and some points. This is where we call the BPM section. The BPM determines the tempo. Let's say the tempo here. That's how the beat want to go. Like, see, BPM means beat per minute. That's if you are playing, say, ba, 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 ba. How many ba, ba, ba you get per minute? So, you want 130 per minute or whatever. That is the BPM. That's being the BPM. So, and anytime you're going to produce, the first thing you have to do is to look for the BPM. Any idea that comes into your mind, or you're a producer, an artist come to the studio for you to produce. Yes, so as the artist starts singing, you need to get the BPM of the music he's singing. Then you can list something, can start out for that. So the first thing you do is to tweak the BPM. So if you want to change this BPM, you can just bring your mouse cursor here. You click, then you drag it down. You see it's coming down or up. If you need more of it, yes, it's there. All of you want. So that's all about the BPM. Then after the BPM, then the next thing very important is the channel rank. The channel rank, yes, that's you see it in your channel rank. Now, with the beat that you are going to produce, let's take it that you have gone to a church. You see drums over there. You just use your drum. You see that there's a big drum at the ground that they use the leg to hit some paddle that hits against the drum. That is what we call the kick. So basically, this is the kick that is here, something like this. Yes, that is the kick. Like that, yes, that is the kick. Then you will see maybe in a church you are playing and here some people clapping. Bah, 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 bah. That is about the clap. Then you have another here hat. Hat is, see those things around that they are standing. The one is crash, or you see that one it's there's also having an open and close that they'll be playing. That is the hat. So something like that. Then we have another one, snare. The snare is the other small drum that is on they put it on the stand. That you see, there's sometimes the drummer across the hand and he play. He does a snare. So this is the sound. Yeah. So basically, this is telling you that if you want to start any production, basically you need things like this. It's obviously not this, but basically these are some of the things that you need. And one thing I'm very excited about FL is that we can start with just a laptop or a PC. Some of us started FL production with Pentium 3. Some people, some people said they started with Pentium 1 or 2, whatever. Yeah. So without any keyboard or what you need is a computer keyboard. Then you are good to go. So now, for example, we have talked about the channel rack. Now, all these things here, as you see, they are called sequence. That is how you want the beat to hit, and the next one, how you want this one to play, this drum to play, then the next one. That is the sequence. So for example, this is a kick. Let me just lay this simple kick. It goes like this. Yeah, that is the kick. So maybe I want it to occur like this. So I've added my clap. So that's all. Then you can start adding other things. So whatever you want to get, you do. Now the next thing we are going to talk about here. Now if you want to play this, you just press the space bar on your computer keyboard. Then you to start playing. That's all. Now let us look at the next thing that we are going to talk about is pattern. Look at here. You see that there are different patterns. Now this is one of the most important. No, before I get there, let's look at this one. There's something here that we usually use. This is what you call the metronome. The metronome also guides you not to go off, yeah, like off beat. So anytime you put the metronome on, you just go and click. Let's look at this. We have that too. Then that is the guide. Then if you put this on, you realize that it is on the metronome. It is going. Yes. So as a starter, if you are using the metronome a lot, it will help you that you not go off beat. Now, the next thing I said I was about talking about is the patterns. Now, pattern simply means that you are going to arrange the beat in a certain way that if you need this at a time, that place, and when you want it to go off, it will go off to allow other ones to play. So you have to put them in different the pattern, yeah, or I will not say group. Let me use the word pattern again. So now let's look at what, like the first thing that I did, say I put this beat here like this kick, then I put the clap here, then say I don't know what to add again, something like that, something like this. Let me so I just do something like that. Yes. So then now if you want to determine the time of the song that you are producing, then if you come here, the track, as you put the thing on the channel rack like this, you make sure the channel rack face is showing like this. It's showing. Then you come and click here. You click on, make sure your mouse here, your mouse cursor changes to whatever you want to do. I will come and talk about all these ones here. But first, let's take a look at this one. This is the paint brush, the paint mouse cursor, paint. So you come and paint what you have done over there. So now, here we have the song called here the pattern mode or the song mode. You change this one to song mode. Then now, you see this line moving, this particular bar moving, the vertical bar moving like this. So the minute it reaches here, it will start again. It is always in the loop mode. So yes, yes, it starts again. Now you are playing three different things at the same time. You don't want them to play at the same time. Maybe you want only the two to play. Let me cut it so it will not be there. You want only the two to play for a certain time. Then another one will play. Then you come here, click here. You can go here, find first, or let's say find next empty. Find next empty. Or better still, you can just come and add. Add here meaning you have to name the pattern. So the pattern here can say snare. Snare. Then I press enter. Snare. Then I paste it because I've already cut it. Then I paste it. Then now I'll come and add it here. So I've added my snare trap, my snare pattern. So realize that if I play the first one, it will not be the snare. Then the snare starts. So maybe I want, if it plays and reach the snare will go off. Then that's that. Then I want, then something I keep on checking. Then only the snare plays, they start again. So that is all about that particular, about the pattern. Now let us, I talked about explaining this. Now let us look at this. This is what we call the draw brush. It's almost similar to the paintbrush, but paintbrush, it works faster because look at drawing and let's in a real sense, a drawing and a painting. Painting does it. If you want to just spread, a drawing is specific. Then this one. So this is the delete. If you click this one right now, then let me come and click on it. See that it is gone. But better still, if your this thing is on the paintbrush, and they say you added something like this, you can just right click and it goes. So this sometimes it's often used. Then this one is the mute sound. Maybe you don't want to delete this, but you don't want it to be heard. You can just click on it and it will pass there without playing that, but it is still there. If you click on it again, it comes back. So that's about that. Then this is the skip, something like that, almost the same as mute. Then this is for slicing. Let's say you want to cut something. For example, let's look at this. I want to cut it. See, I've cut it into two. Okay. So basically, that's all. Then this one is the selecting. If you click on that, if you do like this, then you select all the what is there. Yeah. Better still, if you feel like not doing that, you can just hold Control on your keyboard and click on wherever you want to select. Then everything goes. It's almost the same. Then this one is what? The zoom. If you click on it and click here, you see that it has zoomed it. Yes, that is all about that one. Then this one, playback. Click on it too. Yeah. So basically, that is what is here. Now I have another one too. This one is called Snap to Grid. But we'll talk just less about this. You see these small lines over here. If you change any of them, then it will also change the steps. Let me just go to main. Okay. These lines. Okay. There is no much change. You can see now. Let's look at this. Yeah, you can see the lines are changing because they are too small. So look at that. Yes, you see the lines. Yes, that is what you use these things for. So that's all. So that is the default. And that line will remain. Then that's all about this small. They are also like step sequence. If I move this thing to the next line in a bit, this line a bit, then you realize that you see, you can move them like that, depending on the lines that you have. So that's all about what I would like to teach you today. Then the next thing I'll talk about is the last one that I will do before I end the video is your packs. Your packs. If I say packs, I simply means the drum patterns that you have, the drum samples. Yeah, let me use the correct word. The drum samples that you have. You know, FL Studio comes with the 4 drum samples, and brothers and sisters, well, yeah, they are very great. But you know, we sometimes don't like them. We buy some drum samples. Sometimes we look for free ones and download. Yeah, to make our work very nice. Well, you can also go to the internet and search for free ones to download. But in in every FL Studio, there's I just want to locate this simply back since having a problem. No, you will not have this problem on your first day because I've opened certain things that giving me this. Yeah, so if you come here, you will see you come here packs. It's like this. So you see the whole thing will be like this. Then you come here, you will look for this one. Where you see P, see that there's packs over here. Packs. Then click on these packs so that it will open some drum samples for you. Like this. Look at these ones. Yes. Clap. However you want to use it. Toms. Yes. Snares. They are there. Percussions. They are there. Kick. Kicks. They are there. The type of kick that I want. The hats. Then the cymbals. All there. Then select the ones that you want for your production. You know, sometimes selecting the right drums for the right production then determines how good and very nice your beat will sound. So, brothers and sisters, viewers, I'll urge you to subscribe to my channel for more of this video. The next video that we are going to do to be about productions, and we just go straight into production, and we are going to learn how to use the default drum samples, these ones here, without any third-party drum samples. Yes, to produce any form of beat. For example, any genre, like say dancehall, reggae, Afrobeat, hip hop, that's trap beat, any type of beat. Yes, then you look at that. Maybe I will determine, or you can comment under this video the type of video you want me to do next. I will be very glad to do it for you. So, brothers and sisters, we end here. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, it's a big